I think I added too much hot sauce.
We have to do a speed run then. So like when each of us get through the items, then we need to do the teleport right away.
Alright, let's do this. Ah, fuck my fucking hand. Wait, are we getting the thing? The fuel rod in the back?
Yeah, if you guys want to get Rex.
Okay, we'll have 2 people get it. Justin and Paul. I'm not getting it.
Yeah, really, you only need 1 person to get it.
Oh.
But you gotta make sure that 1 person doesn't die. So it should be you, Andy.
What? I don't need it.
Yeah, Andy wants to go into half HP.
Hey, nobody got this chest that was behind where our spawn. Can somebody kill more people? I need to get this chest.
I got it.
Yay! We unlock more by doing what? More things by doing what?
More what? What?
More items to get, right? By doing challenges.
Yeah, you unlock more items by doing challenges.
Wait. Does
Okay,
Engineer
wait,
not have his own mobility?
Oh, Andy, I found the mute altar.
Oh, okay. Do you guys want to get accurate first then?
Yeah, while we're at it. might as
Okay.
Well, it's still
Okay,
easy.
Mark,
Hold on.
Hey.
Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah.
Mark, pay the new altar.
It's over there.
Oh my gosh, you want me to pay for it?
Well, I need to buy that guy.
Fine.
Okay, Engineer's pretty boring. I don't like Engineer.
I'd probably go crazy with
He's
it.
pretty boring,
Oh,
but he's OP, so.
Only if I knew this before.
how could you do this to Andy?
I'm sorry.
Oh, I got all of this. Cool.
How many items do you guys have?
1.
I have 2.
Okay, I think we're good.
There's like 2 other chests back here if anybody wants them.
I don't have enough.
Wait, actually, there's only 1 more because I'm gonna get the money for. Wait, did you find it, Andy?
No, I'm still running.
The altar? The altar's right here.
If I was trying to combat.
Okay, activate it.
Huh?
Um,
It's like me. I activate.
Okay. Alright, okay. We should
Do
do
you
this
have money, Andy? There's a chest right here.
Where?
Right here.
After I kill these titans, I will.
Maybe I'll have the money after you kill that titan.
Yeah, but I'm faster.
No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, alright, let's go. Someone activate the shrine. Someone activate the altar. Or-
Somebody activate the altar. Somebody. Anybody.
Nice. Let's say
I think they died.
Paul,
I'm gonna activate the Shrine of Combat again.
No, why would you do that? We tried to.
It'd be fun.
You know, to be fair, we can't use those items anyways.
I'm activating it again. Oh,
Cool.
it's too late.
Oh, dang it.
It's easy. Easy clap, bro. Easy clap.
I activated it again.
Oh, okay, cool.
Holy shit, that's a
Oh,
lot of lasers
goodness.
pointed at me. Oh goodness, that's a lot of people. Whoa.
Don't worry, boys. I'm here. You're safe. As
I wish you didn't have to press shift when you.
Paul, did you put down turrets?
Yeah.
Got enough bubble. Oh, he's charging up his speeder. Got him.
Yay, we did it!
Okay, and now we gotta wait for the portal. Everyone grab.
I'm taking everyone's. It's not even that good.
It's Justin.
Here.
Worst home. Helps with money, man. Get more money. Alright. Remember, don't press on a teleporter, press on the portal. lot of Titans. Or did you bring them all the way over here? Oh, okay. Go to the portal. Portal.
The hell's the portal? Oh, that's portal really close.
Ah, there's still an item box over there, dang it.
Yeah, I wanted to go for the item boxes, but it was just too late. Oh yeah, my Fritos.
Alright. Follow me, boys.
Wait, so how does engineer survive the fall?
I don't think you take water.
Ball.
It's fine.
Fuck!
I
I got
Oh,
hot
I took
sauce in
half.
my
I
nose.
took half. I took half.
Oh,
Fuck! I got hot sauce in my nose.
Okay, poor Mark.
Oh my fucking god!
are you guys following me?
Yeah, give us a
Oh.
second.
Yeah,
Hurry the hell
I
up.
can't survive, so Andy, you do it.
Okay.
Where am I supposed to go?
Just keep going down.
Just jump. Go towards the yellow light.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not the white one. We don't want you dying. Wait, there was an item up there.
Alright, I made it.
I'm here too.
Oh, see where I'm supposed to go down.
It's fine. I made it. It's Mark's about to die.
I made it.
Oh my gosh, dude! Who blew up? Who blew up that thing, bro?
Wait, what?
Wait, what happened?
Bro!
No. What happened?
No.
Is it because someone died?
I dropped my thing. That's why.
Oh my god.
Okay, well at least we know where this one is.
You guys are wasting my lunar tokens.
We don't need those.
Okay, fine. I'm going to activate it again. But we should hurry this one up too, though, because it's on medium difficulty already. We're gonna freaking die on the.
Oh, did you tell Austin to get Risk of Rain?
Did you say should we or have I?
Did you?
No.
Huh.
Did he get it?
No, he's saying, what's Risk of Rain? I'm like, look it up, N-word.
Of course he did, Mark.
Alright.
I'm activating the Shrine of Combat.
Alright, cool.
The wisp. Mark, how are you gonna activate the Shrine of Combat and not even fight the person you're supposed to fight?
Shit. My goons will fight it, right, goon? Oh wait, Shrine of Combat, isn't that...
Isn't that what, Mark?
Nothing.
You gonna help me fight it or no? You're not even helping me fight it, okay.
Huh? Are you guys fighting something? Ooh.
I'm just gonna go get some items because Mark's not looking.
I thought Shrine of Combat was the thing where you had to pray.
No. Give me
And
this.
it's mine. It's
You don't even have
mine.
enough money.
Fuck off, you whore! I hate that.
Just
I died. Okay, well.
I
don't-
should stop taking your items. Sorry.
Okay, well.
Man, I'm gonna
guess
leave.
we're not-
Fuck this game.
Guess we're not getting Rex this round.
Are you guys serious? Oh my goodness, dude.
I don't like engineer, man. He's so boring.
Okay, can we at least get freaking accurate, dude? Because
Whoever took your... Whoever the fuck took that thing, your mom's a hoe.
Mark, you didn't pick it up.
Huh?
You didn't pick up the item.
I was standing right next to it, wasn't
But-
I? Hmm?
But yeah, but it's not in your item.
I was standing right next to it, huh?
It's still on the screen. It's still right
I
there.
paid for it.
Did you pick it up?
Mm-mm-mm.
I'm gonna activate.
Oh my god, Mark. It's like right there, so sitting there. Mark, just pick it up already.
Okay, I'm gonna activate the teleporter, and this time when we go into the portal, nobody move. Just let me
Yeah.
go. Through.
Everybody stand still. Oh, look, there's an item.
Mark, that's what I
Oh,
was
that's what
telling
you're
you.
talking about,
Oh
Paul.
my god, Mark.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the one that got stolen from you.
No. No.
found the teleporter. I'm activating it.
Activate it.
Mark, you take this, take that.
That's right. You nigger. You could.
Dude, I have too many items, bro. I'll tell you right.
Oh, I turn invisible when I take heavy damage. I'm out of here. Oh, I'm just launched up in the air. But I don't care. Ooh. Yeah, look at this high APM action. You see my screen, Paul? Oh, wow.
That's why you almost died, Mark.
I don't die.
Y'all shouldn't have
Easy
killed it.
peasy.
Y'all shouldn't have killed it already. It was about to kill Mark.
No, I wasn't about to.
Yeah.
I'm taking your thing because you died, Paul. Healing damage heals you. Oh, I got rest in peace. Okay.
Mark.
Okay.
Mark, what do you do?
Hey, y'all want to take care of these splits though?
Oh my god, Mark.
You want to understand, Paul?
You're right, I'm kind of dead. I wouldn't understand. Oh my god, Mark.
This is gonna be a
Oh, my chips!
Mark, what? Did you?
portal. Okay. Alright, nobody move. Just let me do it. I ain't trying to waste no more lunar tokens. Nobody move.
Mark,
Wow.
hey, I'm telling. Oh, jeez. Wait, Andy over here hoarding all the items, not even giving. Boss 3 items, Andy.
Oh crap, I
That's
have
all.
3 items.
Hey, that's not my problem.
Wow.
Oh my god, I almost died. Wow.
Please stop. I'm almost there. Please don't die.
Mark, what are you doing?
Okay, I got it.
It would be a shame if one of us were to roll out, Autobot. Oh, by the way, guys, I think it was my fault. I pressed E on the portal.
Oh my gosh, I hate
When I died, I pressed E on the portal, and I was like, oh, is this it?
Okay, basically we just stay inside this bubble and try not to die. Yeah, so that was the turret's fault.
Looks like Paul can do all the work. I'm gonna look at this edge and eat my Fritos.
Oh, I'm still doing like massive damage. Okay.
Nom, nom, nom.
Yeah, your turrets can do all the work, honestly.
You know. Wait, what's the item that gives you cooldown again? I don't remember what it was.
Nom, nom.
I forgot to.
Oh man.
Your the mushrooms would be really good for you because your turrets get the mushrooms too. Hey Mark. Okay, everyone take one item, okay? Everyone grab a corner.
We all worked hard for this.
Why is Mark HP so low? Or why is it red?
Because he freaking sucks.
Yeah, it was red on Andy's too.
Alright,
Justin,
follow
back that
me,
one.
boys.
That one.
Follow me, boys.
Go. Too bad I don't have mobility like y'all.
I'm invisible, you idiots. Huh.
Okay, you gotta go over the arch, okay, guys? Be careful.
What?
I can't even go over the arch.
We're gonna die, Andy. We're gonna fucking die.
I don't have the mobility for this, guys. No! I don't have the mobility for this. Oh, I fell through the hole. Oh, I'm so dead. I'm so dead.
How the hell do I go over this arch? Oh, okay.
Oh my god, no.
Hey, I made it. It wasn't me who died this time. Guys, we lost our engineer. What do we do?
Yeah,
I'm almost there. I'm almost there, guys.
Oh, Paul's not dead yet. Did these motherfuckers die? Damn.
I know, right? Jeez.
Oh shit, Paul made it. Wow.
I really thought Paul was after dead. I saw somebody. Oh fuck!
I'm finna die, bro.
Oh,
shit, we got
shoot!
all
Oh
four.
my goodness!
Nice.
Dude, look at all these warbanders.
Now we can do something. Look at this. Woo! I need healing. Does anybody got heals? Anybody?
Nope.
Y'all got a med kit or something?
Okay,
I
gotta
need
go.
the thing that drops it.
Oh crap! I accidentally picked up two.
Oh, same.
Wow.
There's one over here. Oh no, that's not.
I'm gonna die. I can't get out of this. Okay, run. Run.
God, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Andy, lead the way. Hurry up. I only have 200
It's
now.
over. Go back over the arch. Go back over the
No,
arch.
I can't go.
on the other side.
I can't.
You don't need to. You don't. You can just jump over and like dash.
I don't have a dash mark.
Oh,
Put on a bubble. Okay.
Anybody got a healing orb? Anybody?
Nope. We're making good time, guys.
Okay, since Justin and Andy took 2 last time, me and Paul get to take 2.
Yeah, that's fine. I do that.
Yeah, that's fair.
No, I get to take 4 actually.
Mark,
Hold on.
Mark, I'm like dying on items.
Wait, pause what's it on? Oh, throw down your bubbles, man. Why aren't you
It's on
using your
cooldown,
bubbles?
dog.
Selfish engineers. These imps, though.
I'm dead.
Fuck off.
I'm dead.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
wow.
Hey, I get 4.
Oh shoot, my bad.
Okay, I'm grabbing one. That's,
Wow, that's the item I would need. Move fast.
Where is it? Okay, it's over here.
Alright,
boys.
wait,
Mark up.
where are we going?
It's over here. It's over here. Follow me.
Aha! I can move fast because I have the goat horn for feet. Something's moving behind me. Oh! Alright, now that Paul's dead, what do we do, guys?
Our best.
I don't have enough health for this because I can't fucking regen.
Just dodge, Mark. Regen. I don't know what to tell you.
This
Justin,
thing
no,
is
Justin,
simple
what
as League, Andy.
Oh, Justin's about to die too. Okay,
Come on, just take engineer turret instead of me. It's
No, guys.
When will it end? Seriously?
Oh, we got 6 more.
Oh, Justin's dead.
Oh,
Well, I guess it's just.
looks like it's all to engineer turret.
Don't worry, guys. I got it. Don't worry.
Wait, is Mark
Oh.
dead too?
Yup.
Right when you guys died, it dropped the healing.
when you got
item.
fresh meat, that's pretty good.
It got
And you
a
got
healing-
4 fresh meat? That's so good.
Right when you guys
Wait,
died.
Andy, why aren't you tanking?
What?
No, I'm kidding.
Yep.
Nah, you can't tank. They fucked this up. I'm joking.
Alright, guys, don't worry. I got this. I'll get you guys the character. Don't worry. Actually, I'm about to die too.
Nah, dude, you have that. You got 4 meats on you, bro. Honestly. Oh, Andy.
What's going
oh,
on?
You're a monster, bro.
God, dude, what the?
Wait, guys, they have healing too. What am I supposed to do?
Kill them before they can heal, duh.
Kill the person who heals them, bro. Just
No,
kill
they
the
got
Rocco.
They got items.
No, I don't, Andy, my frames are dying. How are your frames doing, dude?
I'm looking
My friends are okay.
How am I alive?
I have no. Kill those beam things, bro. Oh, rip.
Oh,
Andy can't
no.
touch them, bro. He's in melee. Wait, what? You're a monster.
Yeah, he learned that from me.
Alright, I'm gonna regen a little bit.
Wait, what is that? What item is that? Turn invisible after taking heavy damage. Oh my god.
I had that.
If you had that, that would be really good.
gosh, I made it. Okay, just gotta regen. Okay, never mind.
Yeah, just kill them, bro. That's how you get the the HP.
I'm not gonna make it, boys.
Yeah, you're not gonna make it. Sorry.
No, it's over.
Why aren't you invisible, bro?
Oh no! Oh my god, Andy.
You the freaking laser guys.
Yeah, you need range people to protect you.
No, it's over. Must be done.
If I was playing on my computer, I'd freaking do it.
Wait, what are you playing on?
My laptop.
Oh, lol. What happened to your laptop? Or your computer?
Because someone's using my room, so I can't.
I see. You're a monster, dude. What is happening?
Ukuleles,
You-
that is
You have 4 of them?
Oh.
Andy, you have to carry us at this point. Andy.
Okay, I don't know where it is. I don't know.
Just
where
like your brother,
Andy,
Andy.
look up.
Oh my
There it
gosh.
is. Okay, yeah. You saw it?
No.
Okay, keep to your right. Look, there you go.
Oh my gosh.
Big horde bisons.
I'm invisible. They can't see me. Okay. No, stop. Stop, please. Stop. Stop.
Oh wait, they're all ranged. Andy, you're done for. Kidding.
Not unless they come to his bubble.
Dude, these ukuleles are so helpful. Oh my
I know,
gosh.
right?
Wait, I did it.
Killing him permanently increases.
Wow.
Well, you can have up to 400 HP. Andy.
Where's the next one? Oh, there it is. I'm almost there, boys. Oh no, it's the boars. No, it's the boars. No.
Oh, brother. This guy stinks.
No, no.
What the heck? They're all just. You're invisible, right? That's why.
Yeah.
Wow.
Gosh, I did it.
Slow hit on enemies. Oh, that's pretty good for.
Oh my goodness.
Well, no, it's
There's a
just,
fourth one, Andy.
There's
If
fourth
you
one.
didn't pick it
I
up.
already got 4th one.
There's 2 more, guys. There's 2 more.
2 more? What? Oh, man. You know, literally the right items are dropping for Andy in this situation.
I know, right?
Literally the perfect item.
I'm surprised he's not more HP. What does this say?
Because I'm not really killing them. I'm just like, oh my gosh, I'm dying.
Yeah.
Alright, you killed him there.
Wait, did I? I think he's still alive.
No, that's not. Oh, what? Yeah, okay, now it's done.
Is this like a 1v1? What is this?
No, it's because I'm underneath in case the flying things can't hit me.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Wait, who are we unlocking this again? Akron? That's Is that the acid dog?
Yeah, Acrid, yeah. Dinosaur that I've been playing.
Okay. The dinosaur that's on acid. Oh. Lord.
Yep.
All that
What is going
ukulele.
on?
All that ukulele procs.
Did I do it?
Oh, I thought you
Wait, what's
died.
going on?
I thought you died for a second.
Oh, teddy bears! Oh my gosh!
Andy got 4 chances of cheating death. Holy shit, he can die 4 times. He's like a cat.
Oh wait, I'm done. Wait, I finished it. Wait, I finished. Guys, I did it. Guys, I did it. Oh, you guys get.
Boo!
You guys get the achievement?
No.
No, I don't think so. I don't see it.
Oh, you did. You got it. To be left alone. Yeah, you got. The
Oh
achievement.
yeah. Okay.
Oh, okay. I did it, guys.
Wait, what did you guys get?
All right, guys. I think after all the death I've been having, I think.
What the fuck?
Oh my gosh, you guys almost died already.
Wait, how do I know I got the guy?
You got the achievement. It said.
I didn't get the achievement.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
Y'all know Andy. You know the routine. I get the big robot. Mark, please. I feel like I'm like the prime candidate to get the robot.
Okay, you know what I'm gonna do now? I'm just gonna open up chests for you guys so you guys can pick up the items.
Okay, that sounds good. All right, Andy, I'm following you.
Okay.
Oh, Andy still kept the money?
No, but I mean, like, I'm kind of the only person who can kill these things right now. So I gotta kill them and get money so you guys can get items. Ouch.
Andy, I'm following you. Give me the stun
Okay.
one. Give me the stun.
Here. You want the stun? Okay.
I want the stun.
There you go.
All right, turret, stun them.
I gotta get bonked with mushroom ones. Dude, I don't remember this game being this hard.
For gasoline.
Here's the shield.
Oh
Here's
yeah,
the
that
shield.
works.
Here's
Yeah,
the shield.
that's
Yeah.
oh, that's probably better. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Okay, how
Oh
do we?
my gosh, look at all those things. Did I miss? Who's this? Oh, don't die.
Trying to stay alive.
Oh my gosh, I'm not dying. Okay, I'm running. Okay, who wants an item?
Looting for it.
There's an item by me, teddy bear. There's a teddy bear. Someone, teddy bear. Someone take this teddy bear. Somebody.
Hey, you guys want to see Pokemon saying the N-word?
No, not really.
Oh, I guess I'll pick up the teddy bear.
Yeah, just make your turrets open.
Y'all seen Steve-O? I have not seen Steve-O yet, y'all. Or Stevie. Alright, I found Stevie. Okay, y'all,
you guys opening
I need
those
3K. I need 3K, y'all.
3K.
3.5K, actually.
Okay, I'm just running around opening chests. Okay, there's an item over here. Someone. It's an amulet. I'm about to die.
I'm coming for that item.
Guys,
Since nobody's going for it.
alright, Justin, are you guys getting your own items?
Yeah, in a way, pretty much.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Just protect me, y'all.
But hey, cause I have no idea where you are. I only see Paul.
Okay, that's fine. I'll just help Paul get fed then.
I think my turrets, my turrets are stunning the boars. Or the yaks. Whatever. Oh, okay. Eating boars, dude.
Kind of annoying. Okay, I have 2k.
Okay, almost there, y'all. No, don't die.
Is it chest?
You got Andy?
Another necklace.
Oh, I just noticed Mark died.
I died at the, at the side of the thing.
Hey, there's an item over here, Paul. It's another necklace.
Okay, hold on.
Wait, Mark's dead? It's a
Yeah, I died at the very start.
Oh.
Oh, seriously?
Oh crap! Why are my dogs barking? Why are my dogs? Hold on, I almost have enough for the thing. All right, y'all, we're saved.
Wait, how did you get me?
Where are all the chests at? Oh, here's a damaged chest over here, Paul. Take it.
I'm coming.
Damage item.
Have
Oh, it's a... That's good. Oh, drones. Pick up all the drones. Just follow my path, Paul. I'm dropping a bunch of items everywhere.
all right, I'm so behind you. Oh wait.
Oh, shoot.
Gain temporary.
Oh, Mark left.
Down here.
Oh.
I
Who's
was
that?
Austin. I streamed for him so he could see what the game was like.
Oh, I see.
Paul, follow my trail. I just opened like 3 chests.
I'm coming.
Can you open up for me?
Oh, I see you. Andy. I'm coming to you.
Reduce damage while sprinting. Oh yes, please.
Okay, let's see if there's any more chests. Oh, equipment chest. I kind of need an equipment actually. Oh, flying. Okay. Oh wait, I should give that to Paul. I think Paul needs something.
Why are you in my shield, sir? Okay, I feel like I think we can set the boss now.
Okay.
No, I feel so weak.
I need the item that gives me extra ultimate cooldown or like ultimate charges.
Oh, crowbar. Crowbar over here.
Oh, Justin should probably get it.
Justin,
Where's
you'll
it
take
at? I
crowbar.
see.
Well, where I am.
You guys haven't bought the boss yet?
Yeah.
No, we're about to.
My computer is freaking out right now.
Okay, I'm starting to feel pretty strong.
Okay. I see if there's one more chest. Oh, equipment barrel over here. Let's see if it can get something else. Oh yeah, I'll take that. Okay, Paul, you can take the wings. Or Justin or someone.
Oh, you're all the way up there? Oh, crap.
Someone take it.
I should eat these oranges.
Ooh. Ah, crowdfunder? That sucks. Oh, teddy bear. There's teddy bear here.
Is it all the way there? Okay, just ping it, I'll come
Yeah.
up there.
There's also a crowdfunder
Ooh,
here.
these wings are really worth it. I need these.
Oh.
Wait a second, did anybody pick up that one thing?
What thing?
Robot?
The fuel?
No.
No! I just got locked off the map! I took no damage. It's okay.
I think we can fight the boss now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay, let's go.
Where's the shrine?
It's over here. Okay, Paul, drop down some turrets over here.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, activating it.
Okay. Okay. Oh no, it's a clay food strike. What is going on, dude?
I hear the Yakan trying to fucking park the wire up.
What? What'd you say? Oh, there's
Don't worry
two.
about it.
Oh, I think we might lose.
No,
I
we
do
won't.
damage.
And you have 4, you can die 4 times.
Oh yeah, and you can't die full time too.
No, your boy's right here. Your boy's right here. I'm right above you guys. And I'm just giving free shit.
Oh, actually, we do a lot of damage.
Oh, he's sucking us in. Watch out, y'all.
Then I'll just kill him.
Dustin's really cheesing from out there.
Yeah, I know, right?
Well, if you were here, Mark, you would be able to do that too.
Why are my dogs barking, dude? Alright, well, there's one of them. Oh, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Whoop.
Can I get a revive, please?
Oh, you're sucking me in. Get me off.
Oh, Paul got his turret. His thingy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, heal this thing. Is it blocking damage? But
Okay, good job, team.
nice. Okay. You
I
guys can
grabbed
take-
two.
No, no, hey, okay, go, cool. I got one finally. I was like, Paul can take 2, but Andy, come on.
No, I only took one, bro.
No, I know.
You know,
What does that do? Periodically release a healing nova. What? Oh, when you kill. Oh,
What?
yeah.
Off the fucking off the ground!
Mark, what?
Oh, hey.
Oh, hey, wow, too bad I died like 5 times.
I hope I don't die. Please. Fucking shit. Fuck.
Did you die again? Oh. Don't worry, Mark. I'll protect you. Protect Mark. We gotta let him actually play the game.
Oh, Lord, what's going on?
Team effort, guys. Mark, you good yet? How are you?
Well, that was to Mark. What was this? I didn't understand what he was saying.
Hey, item, someone take it. Oh, it's a. Oh,
Wow, I'm alive. Thanks, Paul.
Yeah.
That was everyone. That was a team
I
effort.
thought I saw like a shield right next to me. So
Yeah, and
oh,
like
it's
2
Paul.
turrets and landmines everywhere, Mark.
So you're gonna pick up items. You're gonna buy items for everyone else, huh, Andy?
Mark. It's not my fault. You weren't here, okay?
I'm picking this up.
Oh my
Fuck
god,
you,
Mark.
Paul.
Oh my god. Alright, I'm buying
I
this
wanna-
one then.
Oh,
Maybe you
trying
should
to
take my
combat.
things, Mark.
What the
that
heck?
was mine. I paid for it. What the fuck?
I paid for it.
Oh shoot, we're actually starting?
No,
No, I activated the Shrine of Combat
Why did you do that?
because I need money.
no,
Okay.
we just gotta take our chances.
No, we'll be able to survive this. I think. At least there's
Oh.
one instead of 2.
Oh, I just realized Stevie just died. Or Stevie's gone.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna die. I died.
And you're back up again.
Oh wait. Wait, what?
Yeah, you had four.
Andy,
you
I
had four
fucking
lives.
told you you can die for.
Wait, how?
Yeah, because when
You're
you're
teddy bears. They're not teddy bears. They're revived teddy bears.
Oh,
you have 4 of them, Andy.
interesting.
It was the last event thing.
Didn't notice. Oh, hey look, there's a golden chest. Oh, it costs to,
Did I die? What?
Hold up.
From what?
Hold up.
From what?
Oh, I'm
Oh, no,
dead.
there goes Mark. Oh, Mark!
Oh, shit. I'm out of here.
I'm about to die too.
Your boy's out too.
Ooh, another shrine of combat.
Please
You gonna start that one too, Mark?
don't be hit by another.
Oh my gosh. There's too much, bro. That thing is following me.
Oh, I
think
think
this-
the magma worm's here. Oh yeah, he is. Okay.
You know, we can honestly just like start over. We already got Akron.
Money.
Yeah, I'm about to die.
Again.
Oh, I killed him. I killed the worm.
Oh,
Oh, I
Andy.
died. Okay. Oh, last.
Yeah, you have 4 of them, Andy.
Dude, what time is it?
It's pretty late.
Does anyone know what time it is?
1:30.
I have no clue.
1:30.
1:30.
Oh.
Freaking die.
Oh, it came up again! Oh, I died. He just popped right on top.
I was trying to pick stuff up and it killed me.
Who's the equipment drone?
That's fine.
Oh, lol.
Oh, another magma worm. Okay. That's great. I'm gonna run now.
Yeah, I'm gonna blame this one on someone else.
Can we start over?
I want to see what it. Why can't I open it?
Justin,
Oh,
have
that's
you looked at
6,000.
videos
I'm-
of Total War Warhammer?
No, I have not.
Okay, I'm good. Okay, last revive.
How many numbers there are? That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Let that thing teleport on you. That's an instant kill.
Oh, he's up again!
You're up again. You better start running it. I just start running.
Oh, I'm just gonna
And
die.
never
We
stop.
can start over. We're gonna
Never
start
stop running
I
it.
don't want to play engineer anymore. It's garbage.
This is your.
Dude, what am I even? Alright, it's over.
Alright, Andy, please end this nightmare.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, who's got the most damage? Dealt?
Andy. Andy.
I bet.
I